Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. I wish everybody safe and healthy. I'm going to start making cooking video for you. Please send me your request. You can do the YouTube or you can go to my Facebook, Fortune Cooking Chef Tom. In our YouTube, Fortune Cooking Chef Tom channel, we have about 870 cooking video. You simply just go in and search what you like to make. For instance, how to cook pad thai is right there. Also, it's time that I think it's a good idea to introduce myself. I am Chef Tom Lin, live in Michigan. I represent Detroit. I was born in Taiwan. I spent a few years in Brunei, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and I moved to US when I was 14 years old. Food is always been my passion. I love to eat, I love to cook. In the past 32 years, I have owned 2 Szechuan Empire, the 2 Thai restaurant, and 2 Japanese restaurant, and 3 food truck. I am an executive chef, local TV chef, and I have been appeared on Food Network 6 times. I'm specialized in Southeast Asian cuisine and I can cook other cuisine as well. Love to travel, love to mingle social with all the international chefs and get together, cook some good food and share, study the new ingredient. That's the best. Okay, enough said. In the past, I don't know how many years, I have a lot of questions from you. I'm going to respond to you today. Chef Tom, what kind of knife to buy? Cleaver or the regular chef knife? That depends on you. They come with many different price range. Get to your favorite store and pick up a couple knife. The weight is good, the handle is okay, feel comfortable, that's good. The most important thing is keep the knife sharp. If you want to know how to sharpen a knife, you can check out our YouTube channel. Chef Tom, what kind of wok or frying pan should I get? Go to your local store. Same thing, ask question. Wok is round shape at the bottom. It can heat very well. Usually it's cooked on the gas stove, but the home stove doesn't have the ring to hold the wok. So you need to purchase the wok with the ring. Frying pan is very good too. The quality today are very good. They have steel and non-stick. Usually our home temperature is not gigantic like the restaurant. So the non-stick frying pan, I suggest easy, quick to cook because they not stick together. But you have to use wood spatula so you can protect the surface. Chef Tom, how many condiments and spices do I need? Well, Asian cooking, I start with vegetable cooking oil or grapeseed cooking oil, which is the high smoking point cooking oil, versus to the extra virgin olive oil because we want to create the heat and the flavor. And then cooking wine, infuse your sauce. Any kind of cooking wine is fine, drinking wine is fine. Soy sauce, they have dark soy sauce, normal soy sauce, and light sodium soy sauce. Some people cannot consume too much sodium, like me, so you're using light. Oyster sauce, hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is a little bit sweet. They make from soybean. So that's a good substitution for balance the Asian flavor, spicy, sour, and The hoisin sauce that have a touch of sweet will balance the sauce or the flavor. Oyster sauce got a unique umami. You can tell with or without it, and they give you this sensation flavor. Chinese cooking, Asian cooking is all about flavor. Sesame oil, roasted sesame oil, have a very strong essence flavor and give you a very nice finished touch of your dish. But make sure don't add it too much because it's so strong. It's like a perfume of the oil. That's a trick how to make delicious food, Asian food. If you follow my YouTube, you will notice that I always say minced ginger and garlic. Number one is healthy. Number two is have this infused flavor of your recipe. And your pot and pan and have to be warm and hot so you can create this flavor of the sauce. Asian cooking are usually quick, simple, and flavorful. Like vegetables supposed to be crisp, right? And good to serve with rice or bread and stay healthy. For the way I teach you guys and for the way I cook, it's simply for home. So a lot of people challenge me like blah 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 restaurant and this high end. No, we don't want to complicate it. If I complicate you, you're not gonna make it. And also you see this fridge back there? And I have a freezer in my garage. Utilize what you have. Colorful vegetable, good protein, cook healthy meal for your friends and your family. Am I right? One more question and we gotta go to make some cooking video. Chef Tom, how do you use chopstick? Well, chopstick is go like this. But most of you will use this. You guys take care, stay healthy, and don't forget to send me the request of what you want me to make. Because we got so many wonderful cooking recipe in Fortune Cooking YouTube video. I want to make something different. Okay? Check out my Facebook, Fortune Cooking Chef Tom. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.